Understanding your energy bill can sometimes feel like trying to understand a foreign language. But knowing your bill's key components will help you manage your energy consumption and save money more easily. In this video, we are going to break down the three main components of your energy bill. So keep on watching. And if you're considering switching to solar, check out our new solar energy tool on theenergyprofessor.com. We use the latest tools from Google to provide the most accurate estimates based on your roof, recent electric bills, and our list of trusted solar installers in your area. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on ways to save money on your energy bill. There are three main components of your gas and electric costs: supply, delivery, and taxes. Let's break down each one to help you understand why it's important and how it will help save you money on your energy bills. Supply charges. Supply charges cover the cost of the electricity itself. This portion of your bill reflects how much energy or gas you consume and is measured on your bill in kilowatt hours for electricity or therms for gas. How much you're charged per unit can vary based on factors like your utility provider, the time of year, and whether you're on a fixed or variable rate plan. Understanding your supply charges can also help you make informed decisions about energy usage and explore other options for more cost-effective plans. Delivery charges. A delivery charge is the cost associated with transporting energy from the power plant to your home. This includes maintenance of power lines, infrastructure, and the service required to ensure that the energy is delivered reliably. Delivery fees can be fixed or variable depending on your location and the specific services provided by your utility company. Monitoring these charges can help you identify trends and understand potential opportunities for reducing usage during peak hours, which may lead to lower delivery costs. And lastly, taxes and fees. The final component of your energy bill includes various taxes and fees imposed by the local, state, and federal government. These costs vary widely based on your location and can include environmental surcharges, renewable energy fees, and other regulatory costs. While these charges are fixed rates, being aware of them and taking them into consideration when trying to save money on your energy bill can provide an insight to how much of your bill is being influenced by external factors. Some utility companies also offer breakdowns of how much you're contributing to renewable energy initiatives through these fees. By learning how to break down your energy bill into these three main components, you can gain a better understanding of where your money is going each month. This knowledge not only helps you identify areas for potential savings, but will also encourage a more mindful energy consumption lifestyle. We recommend regularly reviewing your bill and exploring different plans or energy-saving measures to optimize your energy expenses every month. If you're looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.